Getting ready to start a couple little winter projects on the truck, so figuring now would be a good time to do a little walk around. Not a whole lot's happening to the exterior of the truck, other than the cab lights are all going to be changed out. See, I got 3 of them out now. The panels underneath the door and underneath the sleeper, those are getting changed out. See the watermelon ahead inside that air cleaner fell down. To figure out a better way to hold those up. Nothing planned right now for the back end of the truck. Other side, same thing with the panels. This side you can see the watermelon stayed in place. Bulk of the work this winter is going to be going on the interior. Right now the inside's pretty much stock, other than the watermelon lights I put up there. Took the passenger seat out. All I've done so far is took the lower bunk out, started pulling the screws off, and that's when I decided to make this video. Upper bunk I had used for storage before. Lower bunk is getting taken out. Make some more room down there to relax. Might mess around with the gauge panels, not sure yet. See where time runs out. The little passenger seat organizer. So there it is, that's pretty much all of it.